Alrighty. We're extremely happy to welcome you to the world of business strategy and cannot wait to accompany you on the first steps of becoming an industry giant, regardless if veteran or newcomer. On this tutorial map spanning roughly 9 kilometers squared, you'll learn first production facilities, extending infrastructure, establishing value chains up to transportation and shipping, as well as end consumer sales in your own shops. That's cool because a lot of the if there's a population on the map and then you get to actually produce and then sell instead of just delivering to a spot in the town, which is kind of cool. And demo contains a fairly small amount of the content that will be available in the early access version, which will be released at the end of October. And you'll have over 80 wares to produce in various production stages at your disposal, more than 40 production chains manufactured in over 20 different facilities, 30 plus vehicles to transport the goods as well as that. Different maps up to 100 square kilometers. Cool. Well, it is an industry game, you know, you gotta throw in the buzzwords. Right. Everything is pretty much maxed. And that's not gonna make any difference for you guys, but it will for me. Sure. Tutorial. 3x3 kilometer game. Yeah, start. All right. Click on the different menu. There's a lot of stuff on. There's a lot of. It's Industry 4.0. Yep. Industry Giant 4.0. Click on the different menu items or the objects in the world to get more information about them. Your goal is to supply customers in the cities with goods and thus make the cities grow. Yep, standard. Click on the city and you'll find out what it needs. You can then build the appropriate industries and shops, set up lines and buy vehicles. Okay. So they are demanding groceries. And wood shavings are only importable. Oh. And it's going to change. Okay, so they'll have less demand for groceries and stuff in well, sorry, packaged fruit and veg in winter and more for the wood shavings in winter. Okay. What's the thing that doesn't go anywhere? No town zone. Expensive land. Expensive land, heavy industry zone. Ah, so the different zoning areas, okay. Light industry zone. Nature reserve over there. Okay, so the farm zone over here. Okay. Oh look. Ah, okay, so we can only build in certain zones. That's fair enough. Construction costs are incurred when constructing buildings cannot be built in the if the camp balance is negative. Yep. Then the zone restrictions must be observed. Zones valid for construction are highlighted. Construction is not possible. The reason is displayed in the information text. Okay, that does make sense. Our road connections are at either end. I want it raised. Right there. It looks like we can either raise it or not. It's not going to cost us anything though, right? Okay, so we have our farm. We are paused. Congratulations, you successfully placed the farm. Don't forget to connect to the road network. You can also pause the game by pressing space or clicking the pause button. Yep. Put the first production. Okay. Actually, where's our money? Down here. We need to place fields. Gotcha. Place the fields over here. Do they need to be connected to the road? Let's find out. Gap between them. So we're going to add production. Oh, right. Okay. That's also interesting. Are you kidding? Oh no. Okay, have that done, and then do veg. Okay. Right, perfect. You've successfully set up your first production line. The production of your first fruit needs some time to start. Yep, see something's happening there. Once the next batch cycle starts, you'll see a green bar in your production line starting to fill. Once it's full, your first fruits will be ready to transport to the city. In the meantime, we should set up a grocery store. Alright. Small grocery store. Is that all it gets, though? Catchment area is very small. Is that what that's showing me, I wonder? Doesn't seem to be, I don't know. Place it down here. Awesome, your grocery store is built, ready to sell goods. Now we need to set up a truck transportation line to deliver your freshly produced fruits to the store. Start by building a depot. The old truck depot. What's wrong with you? Oh, cannot start during batch. Okay. Yes, we'll put it here. Just pop it there. Almost done. The last thing we need to do is set up the truck transport line and then buy vehicles. Yeah. Go to the lines here. We're gonna create a road line, select a truck depot. Okay, maybe not like that. So bed L, do line 1. Click the button now. Allowed vehicle types. Okay. Add stop. Farm. Oh, we can select the cargo there. Okay. Do I need to select the cargo? I guess. Unpackaged fruit and veg. That'll do. That should be that. Alright, set up a first truck line. Select what type of what the line will transport. You can always go back to the line, add more stops, more goods to be transported during the line menu. That's fine. Needs to be done before we need to buy vehicles that will deliver you and go to the depot. Purchase some vehicles. Oh. Right. Truck depot 1. Type. We'll just go with the flatback. Brand name Max Truck. Are they a brand in the States or something? Because I don't know them. We're gonna get 6. It's gonna take 30 days to deliver. Can't be having that. Alright. That's it. Your own for a small fleet of trucks that will transport your goods on your transport line will automatically request trucks from a connected depot. That's kind of cool. They're the American truck. Ah, gotcha. Yeah, we don't have them here at all. Most of the trucks are, you know, Scanias and Volvos and such and such. I like that they automatically request the trucks, so you just have to have them in your depot. That's kind of cool. It's a very old model. Gotcha. Well, this is 1950. All you need now is wait for your yeah, okay. We'll do that. They're on the way. This is the important thing. How does it all look? I'd say the terrain doesn't look too bad down here. Bit of interesting terrain is always good, right? Truck 4 was unable to load. Hasn't started production yet. That's okay. Here we go. Now they've started production. We've got the green bar filling up. 4 new loan contracts. Oh, no. I don't make it. I don't want a loan. Nice errors and warnings. We have 1 error because of that. That's fine. We know why. Yeah, they have nothing in storage. That's fine. Oh, actually, yeah. I also like that there is traffic. It's the one thing. The one thing in workers and resources that bugs me is that they're, yeah, it's driving empty. Yeah, these two are driving empty because it hadn't finished its production. Thankfully, it's only after pulling two of them, right? And look, it's not sending them out straight away. It's good. So this time they have actual resources. I forget, we hired 6 of these. It did not send out all 6 at once. That's a positive. Does it get loaded in stages, or does it just magically all appear? Probably magically all appears. Okay. Now I'm curious, does everything just struck the logging campus next as well, by the way? We'll get to that. Yeah, and it's something, I know it's probably a ton of work for games like this to do, but like loading the cargo was always the interesting part for me. I love when some games do it in stages, you know, even if it's just 4 different little blocks. Yeah, what I was saying is, I always like when there's other traffic on the road. That's why in workers and resources, I was doing it in my own time. I was just doing where instead of buses, I was using cars, so that there was a ton of cars driving around. Just up until the point I got people to start buying cars, you know. Right, anyway. Logging camp. Okay, it's gonna be over here. Oh, it's gonna be rail, yes. And our sawmill can go here, right? Construct a train depot. Oh, and we're gonna be able to build a... Okay. Where the hell do I want to build the train depot, though? God, where do I want to build this map? Did I just build it here? Put it up here. Building was constructed. Construct a small hardware shop. Hey, weekend, well, almost weekend, yes. Yeah, but it's just that's its empty animation and that's its full animation. I'm curious if that's the same for all cargo. Alright, hardware shop we'll put up here. Now construct a food processing plant. Oh god. We even get it in there. Good. Actually grew up like 2 kilometers away from a dairy plant. Build all available buildings on this map. Now make sure to supply roofing with enough goods to make it grow okay. Don't forget to deliver 250 packaged fruit and vegetables as well. Alright, boss. Right. Railway. Oh yeah, let's go straight into a bridge because you built it up in the air. Cool. You don't have to hold click either, which is nice. Try not build a bridge. So it's similar to other games where you can manipulate things by doing it in short sections. Oh, that's built. Pop that in there. Can we... Oh, it doesn't parallel it. Oh no. Should definitely do that. Is that connected? Oh, it's 2 lines each. Yeah, even so. Oh no, never mind. That was an initial thing. This is... Yeah, curve too sharp, that's fine. Overlapping, yeah, that's fine. Like, I get it, it's not the ideal area to do it, but... I guess you can't do this. I wonder if they're too close. Yeah, let's do this one a little further away. Just to see if we can... Oh no, it doesn't there. That'll work. Oh, look. Doesn't matter. It built them already. Look at that. It built them already. That's cool there, but I need to connect these two lines because I don't want everything going directly into the depot. So actually with this, I could do that. Me. Now, how much is it going to cost to get across? We have 10 million. How much is it going to cost to do a bridge across here? Oh, not as much as I thought. Okay. Do the thing. And I'm just thinking, it doesn't actually matter. Why am I doing this? Because I have nowhere to put it. Does the depot store stuff? I've just built that for no reason. Oh, it does. I think. Amount on. We'll go with the 4. 30-day delivery time. We'll bring that down a bit. We delivered on the 5th of December. Then we do our line. Create a rail line. That depot there. Okay, that's not appearing as a stop, so this is useless right now. Yeah, so we're gonna have to bring the trucks over here regardless. That's kind of unfortunate. I was hoping to do a warehouse or something here, you know. Maybe that's further down the line. I'm just realizing I didn't put any production in place for the other thing. But again, this looks really good. I like the look of this, you know. Can't build a stop there where you want it. I'll build a sawmill over there. I might have been able to. I was thinking of doing a depot, like a warehouse though. I was thinking more long term, you know. He's not going to be able to do anything, right? They aren't actually producing it. Yeah, they're not producing yet. Leave him do that. What do you want? Curtains are produced in the sawmill. Oh, hold on. Ah. So we want to be doing planks and curtains. Even though town wants shavings as well, we'll have to do that later. We want to get the food production up and running. We're going to do another line. The depot, and it's going to go from the sawmill to there, and it's going to do cartons. Probably request a truck, even though there's nothing going on, so I probably just should wait until I do the other. Although fuel doesn't seem to be a thing at the moment anyway. Yeah, fuel and stuff is not a thing right now. That's fine. We'll get things set up. We can do another line then from there to there, but what was it we were going to do? Do packaged vegetables. Means that this line is going to go from the farm to there and do the vegetables. We'll let that go for now, and then we'll add to that line when that starts producing. Alright, it's January, so that should start producing now. Yep. So it's monthly production. Alright, cool. They only pick up 100 each. These guys, so grand. Then where is our so we made 71 grand income. Okie dokie. This has made a 79 grand profit. This is costing us 340 grand a year. Alright, then what are you selling? You're going to be selling the shavings, so we're going to want to do the shavings too. Would be a thing. Oh, also it's February. You have timber. Train is going back to the depot, it looks like. Is the train going back to the depot? Nine lines here. What? None of vehicles available in depot line throughput limited. Train 1 was unable to load wood at logging camp 1. Yeah, okay. Can you send the fucking thing out? There you go. Definitely not going to be able to load wood at the logging camp if it's not going there. Oh, what? The only thing I would say is that's a Corolla. We're still in 1950, and that's the Toyota Corolla, right? Not sure of these makes. Not 50s cars, though. These are. Kind of. Cool. And that's gonna start in a few days. I suppose I'd be nitpicking too, saying like in Transport Fever, you'll get a visual representation on the cargo dock or whatever of the resources, like they're always there. Just immersion, you know. you're not going to take anything, that's fine. Oh, forklift running around. Like the loading bays and everything. It doesn't tell me how much timber it has. You know what I mean? Like, it should have planks in storage. If it's using them, this is started production. Now it has 100 of these. I'd like to know about all of the resources, if you know what I mean. And I guess I'm curious as to why... Because that is starved of resources now. Do they just go out every month? I don't know if I'm a fan of that. I should have done that. It's only transporting 100 when it can transport 1,000. So yeah, okay. The next time he goes over, he should pick up 1,000. That's something I should have looked at. But then what's the capacity of the truck? Capacity is 100 on the trucks. Capacity is 800 on them, so he should fill up with 800 here now, right? Yes. Okay. That is much better. Oh, so if you zoom out far enough, you'll get the little radial. Okay, that's cool. I didn't notice, was this always working, or did it just start working when he dumped in the timber? I didn't notice. And you have stuff in there, that's grand. So you're just waiting on the packaging. Should actually... It's not clicking that. Let me click the truck. Yeah, he's actually bringing over some packaging. Cool. Your storage is overloaded. Means I'm gonna buy more trucks. Let's say then I can sell it. Well, I can rename it, but I can't upgrade it, which is fine. If I go in here then. No, that's fine. If they're overloaded, we might as well just pump in as much stuff as we can in here. Okay, you're starting to make a bit more money. So your capacity is it's okay. You're having stuff delivered. Lovely. And we're just waiting on the trucks to be delivered, and then hopefully it'll send out more to that line. Line which now I need to go into. Yeah, send out like 3 trucks. Let's just make that 200. I know they can only carry 160, but it's fine. Yeah, bigger trucks. Very interesting that they just send out the trailer frame. Also with the modern side guards and everything on it. Can't wait for the day when a transport game does the whole, the truck has to turn around and stuff, you know, not just flip around. I'd love that. Yeah, like especially for things like rail, right? There's a depot here, cool, but that depot should have, if it's going to be doing this, it should have like a turntable outside. I think that's how they work, right? I'm gonna have to update that train to an 8. Anyway, you're working away now. So, the thing here is, right, as I was saying before, I don't know how much that's using, and I don't know how much that's using. And I have that in storage, but is that storage to be exported or what? Or is that just storage is not being used for this? Because I think I want to add another production line there, right? It's going to cost 807 if I want these. Very interesting that you can turn down the efficiency. Save them. Yeah, I don't know how many logs are actually here, because that is not counting the logs. Well, it's, you know, again, it's early access demo, so I'm hoping they add more detail, because these are the, like, there's 2,148 logs there. Cool, but how many have been delivered here? Is what I need to know. How many logs does this place actually have? I don't see it anywhere. Again, that storage amount is these two. It's not the logs. That's what I would like to know. That. How do you keep track of... So the Sawmill storage is 773. That's those two products. Detailed in and out. What does that mean? What does that mean? Does it need 4? It's requesting 4. Is that it? Where's the logging camp? Yeah, needs more details. What's actually going on? It looks promising enough, yeah. It'll all depend, like... I want to see that the town actually grow. Town size is currently 75. It's not growing yet. It needs a bunch of stuff. Oops. Sure. You're unloading. You're unloading the magic locks that do something somewhere. And this should start production of shavings, which is going to require another line. This is going to go straight to the hardware store. I do actually like that you don't have to assign individual trucks to it, that you buy them for your depot and then the depot assigns them. I kind of like that. Obviously, maybe if you wanted to fine tune it later on the game when you have multiple lines and stuff and you wanted trucks to do specific things, that would be a different story. For now, it's not bad. Storage overload, yep. Oh god, way overload. What does this mean? Fresh. Okay, so there is stale food. Select that. This is now working away nicely. Oh, now does it have an excess storage of logs? Yes. Wait, production of shavings is stopped? Oh, because it's logs. Yeah, okay. So the logging camp needs to do more. So then from next month, that'll start doing more. Since Simutrans Extended. I've never played that. So the cartons are in a white container. Yeah, you're in a different style of container. I like that. I like that. Can be delivered down here. Earnings going up. Oh my god, we're making money. So if you start building it, producing, what you have. Right. Well, we need to do another line. We're going to do we're going to do this line. We're going to add in a stop to the grocery store. Which means we're going to get rid of that. Oh god. Oh, okay. Never mind. We're going to unload there. Yeah. And then we're going to go to the processing plant. We're going to pick up the packaged veg and unload in the grocery store. I can't save it because of this. There we go. Okay. CPU trans extended. Well, let me just do the thing. Is it on Steam? Oh, it is. It's free? Holy shit. Extended is not on Steam, but they look very similar. Dude. Hold on. Wait, I have display capture on. Oh, I have display capture on, which means you were not getting full frames. Sorry. It's like OpenTTD, kind of. Alright. Okay. Town has grown to its target size. Let me that. Sorry, that should be a bit smoother for you guys now. Transport and sell all specific goods. Are we not doing that? Packaged fruit, packaged veg, or wheat products. Okay. Most of those games are. They like Transport Fever 2. Just get a. You get a good passenger train and bus route from 2 or 3 different towns. You'll just print money. Why are you coming down here empty to that? Yeah, why are you coming down here empty? Set up that line wrong. Oh. My bad. So this guy, 160 of them. I'm gonna deliver them down here. You've made us 325 grand. You've made us 471 grand. Lovely. I think they need a bigger store. It says transport and sell of specific goods, not just transport, yeah. Something wrong when your vegetable store is making crazy amounts of money. Also, what was the first transport game to start introducing this music? Was it Transport Fever or was it before them? It just appears in every transport game. Turn off the zones. We don't have anything underground at the moment. Storage, town building level. So here's their individual demands per building, okay. Missing string table entry or high, yes. Do we need another that should be fine. Up utilization. %148%. It's not keeping anything in storage. It's gone. Good. All right, we're in the green. It's always nice. Is this an early version? Oh yeah, it is. Yeah, it's just the demo that's up on Steam. It is definitely an early version. But you can download it and play it. Just the tutorial map as well, by the way. So it upgraded, but what do I want to build? The wheat, that was the other thing, yeah. Because we could make bread. We could set up a production line to make bread here. 1.25 million though. That's the problem. I only have 1.7. We're making enough money. No, we're not. We lost 400,000 that year. Right, we just need to sell 15 more meals. Well, I like the aesthetic of it. It definitely, that's the end of it, isn't it? Yeah, okay. But after that, you're kind of on your own. Fine. Did we just end on Paddy's Day? Nice. town size now 123. Requiring more and more stuff. Need more and more logs. But he must have just brought over 200. Why did he only bring over 200? So this is why did he not bring over a full load of logs? Because he only had one car when he went over there. Now he's bringing over a full load. There's the 800 that he just brought over. That's the one thing that's bugging me about this whole depot system right now is that train should go get another load of logs because there's storage space here. And that's gonna run out. But it doesn't run every month, it looks like. Missing cartons, that's fine. Put them up to the main road there instead of having to go around. No, he went out before the end of the month. What is the timer on this? I'm kind of wondering, do I want to connect a road down here and get trucks delivering logs as well, but kind of redundant. Again, production is stopped because there are no logs. The train is there. Going again now because it's the end of the month. Like we're losing money every month now. Steady rate. Lost $1 million that month. Do I need to put in a second shop? What are the shops costing? Absent. I mean, I could put one in up. The problem is I can't. I can get rid of some houses, but I don't want to get rid of some houses. Put in a shop. What else is there? Is I think it's only the yeah. Early access released at the end of the month, so we'll have. I think we'll have a look at it. It's cool to see if the cities can grow like that. So yeah, we played this section of the map. There's obviously more. And growing towns in the full version, so this version just didn't have the growing town. Cool. Yeah, if you want to download it, you can, and then there's the tutorial that we just did there. Industry Joint 4.0.